Hello friends, welcome to CDL. In last video we saw CATIA basic user interface. So as I explained in last video, here if you want to add your custom toolbar here, just right click on this panel, right panel or top panel, or else you will get from view toolbar. I will open here part design workbench. I will create one part. So these are the options, these three options already checked, so I don't want to create any geometrical set. I don't want to create here order geometrical set. I'll simply uncheck and click OK. So this is the part design workbench created. So you see, this is the new access system. It's not taking default access system, so whatever we define those access system, it will take by default. It will take. I will close this in a VPN. We don't need this one right now. So this is the basic part. We are in part design workbench. You see at the top of right, you will get that information in which workbench you are. So these are the options. These are the various different. These are the different commands. Here sketch, here pad. This is the shaft. We will see one by one. First, we will create one simple part here. So here we will change the background view color. So tools, options, in general, display, here visualization. In visualization, which background color you want, you can select from here. Suppose this is the blue color. Now in background view gray color. Suppose user wants white color as a background, just simply select white color, click OK. So it will change this color to white as per the user convenient, and as per the user perspective, he can change any color, any background color. So we will come to our default color. I will maximize here. We will try to create new sketch. So you have to click here sketch workbench. Okay, select any plane. Once we select plane, now I selected XY plane. We are in sketch workbench. So if you want, you can check here also at the right top. You will get on which workbench you are.
Now we are in sketch workbench. So I will create one simple sketch here. So this is our simple sketch. I am just trying to explain here how we can create any sketch in sketch workbench. You can drag and drop command like this, so all command will be visible from the right side. So there are few more commands: corners, chamfer, trim, mirror, and project 3D element. We created here simple sketch. Now exit sketch workbench. We can rotate it with the help of mouse. We can see in 3D view. So friends, we will meet in next video. Thank you.